In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project that contains the image or video frame with the green screen background. The green screen could be a background behind a person, a device screen, or any element that you want to remove so that you can replace it with another image or graphic. Once your project is open, go to the right-hand side of your screen and make sure the correct image layer is selected. After selecting the layer, click on the Select option at the top of your screen and then choose Color Range from the drop-down menu. This will open the Color Range window, which allows you to select specific colors in your image. Inside this window, keep the settings as they are and simply click on the green screen area in your project. As soon as you do that, the preview inside the Color Range window will show the selected area in white while everything else appears in black. Now adjust the fuzziness slider until the green screen area becomes fully white and the rest of the image becomes black. This step is important because it determines how accurately the green screen will be selected. If the fuzziness value is too low, parts of the green screen may remain unselected. If it is too high, it may start selecting areas that you do not want to remove. Move the slider carefully until you find a balanced point. Once the green screen area looks properly selected, click OK. You will now see that all the green parts of the image are selected. Press the Delete key on your keyboard and the selected area will be removed, leaving a transparent background in its place. If you still notice small green edges or leftover color around the subject, you can clean them up manually. Go to the left-hand side toolbar, right-click on the Brush tool, and select the Eraser tool. Then adjust the brush size from the top settings bar and gently erase any remaining green shades. In most cases, the color range selection will remove the background accurately, but this step helps refine the final result if needed. After removing the green screen, you can easily place another image, background, or graphic behind your subject to create a new composition, and this is how you can remove green screen in Photopea.